Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HONOR X7A, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, you need to disable all unnecessary features. To do it, just open the control panel and disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable location services if you don't need maps right now, click close. Disable NFC, Newbie Share and Hotspot and Huawei Share if you don't need it right now, because all of these services are constantly searching for newbie networks. Next step is to reduce your screen brightness, because screen is consuming a lot of battery power. Unfortunately, here we have no LED screen, so here we have just only normal LCD screen. So dark mode is useless to improve battery power, because in dark mode will not help to improve battery life. But you can open battery and here you will see power saving mode. Just enable it, and enabling this mode your screen will be dimmer, your screen will lock over 15 seconds, and in this way this mode will help you to improve battery life. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye!